Multi-port functionality. The USB 3.0 to dual-port Gigabit Ethernet adapter lets you add 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports to your laptop or Ultrabook computer through a single USB 3.0 port. Meets industry standards. Each RJ45 port in this LAN adapter supports 10/100/1000 Mbps Ethernet and is fully compatible with IEEE 802.3i/u/UB standards. Extended connectivity. This 2-port adapter connects to 2 physical networks simultaneously, leveraging the 5 gigabits per second speed of USB 3.0 to provide dedicated gigabit bandwidth to each port. Versatile functionality. The USB NIC adapter provides physical network interfaces to virtual machine configurations. Great for IT administrators that require dual-homed or multi-home systems. Connect to 2 different networks simultaneously through a single USB 3.0 port. Conserve available USB 3.0 ports with USB pass-through. Dual Gigabit Ethernet ports through a single USB connection. Integrated USB 3.0 pass-through port. IEEE 802.3, 802.3U and 802.3IB, 10 base T, 100 base TX, and 1000 base T, compatible. Crossover detection autocorrection, Auto MDIX. IEEE 802.1Q VLAN tagging support. Jumbo frame support. Top reviews from the United States. Did exactly what I needed, in the way I needed it to. I was having some trouble with my onboard Ethernet port, so rather than run it all down, or replace the motherboard preemptively, I just decided to go this route. I've had good luck with USB Ethernet adapters before, so I wasn't too worried. Fortunately, this one presents itself to the system as 2 separate interfaces, so you could use this if you wanted to have your machine function as a router or some other dual-homed system. In my case, I just bonded the 2 interfaces into one and increased the performance. It works perfectly.